$1 million in profit from less than 6,000 Instagram followers.
You don't need a huge audience to make money on YouTube. What you need is a system that makes even 1,000 views valuable. And today I'm gonna walk you through the exact 4-step system, the same system that I use to make 25K from a single upload. And it's the same system that I'm using for my clients right now. For example, one of my clients who's only got 1,600 views, he's already pulling in 4K. But this isn't about him, this is about this system. Because once you actually see it, you'll understand how any small creator can win. So here's why most creators don't win. They're addicted to views. They think more views equals more money, but that's not the way that the game works. That's like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. No matter how much comes in, nothing actually stays. If you don't have a system to turn those views into a buyer, you're just gonna be running on a hamster wheel, working day in, day out, tired, nowhere closer to the freedom that all the gurus have promised you. And that's the trap. And if you don't escape it, you'll quit before you ever even see any results. Alex Hormozi's kind of already said this. I'm gonna throw in a clip so that you can see Alex Hormozi saying the same thing.
We had a company come in. The lady who owns the company is a registered dietitian. She takes home just under $1 million a year helping other registered dietitians. And so we had dinner. I was like, hey, let me see your Instagram. So I just wanted to pull it up because I was going to make a point about something because I assumed that she had, I wanted to see what kind of content she had. I assumed that she had at least a relatively large following. I honestly hadn't looked. She had 5,800 followers. Her average post got 19 likes and 1 comment. And 100% of her acquisition came from her organic Instagram.
Gary V's also been hammering on this point too, so let me show you Gary V.
I believe we are now in the not social media, but interest media. Meaning social was inherently who is your social network? Who are your friends? We are now in an era where what are you interested is coming to you from the algorithm. And so what you should be looking at is views. The only thing I really care about on every platform is views achieved, because the creative is the variable to the views now. People that are watching right now that have never posted, if they post a remarkably good piece of content, that piece of content now has the ability to get more views than something I post, and I'm one of the most followed people on LinkedIn in the world. That is profound.
Now, what all this means is that small creators can punch way above their weight if they have this system in place to capture and monetize that interest. So that's where my content flywheel comes in, a 4-step system that makes every single view valuable. So this system is for people that kind of already know what they want to sell. So if you're not quite yet at that stage, you can literally just use my RampRev AI bot. It's free, first link in the description. It'll ask you a couple of questions, and in 2 minutes, it'll map you out a whole business plan so that this flywheel actually makes sense to you and you can implement it into your business. So go check it out. Okay, so step 1, pinpoint the pain and make videos for that audience. This is where it all starts. You don't need content for everyone. You need content for one type of person with one big problem. So you can actually look back at my channel. When I first started, I was making broad content for a mix of people. It was kind of a big niche entrepreneurism, but there was no dialed in person that I was aiming at. So anyone could watch it, but no one kind of stuck to my channel. Once I dialed it down to beginner investors, that's when everything started to click. I was only a couple steps ahead of the people that I was helping, so it really resonated with my audience. I've said this in one of my other videos, but I think of this like fishing. If you want to catch bass, you don't use sharp bait, and you have to think of your videos as the bait and the viewer as the fish. If you make the wrong kind of videos, the right people, the people that you want, they'll never buy. That's why this first step and identifying who you help and how you help them is super important. You need to pinpoint the pain that your viewer cares about the most. Again, the Rev bot that I told you about earlier, that's gonna help you do this. It's gonna tell you all the problems that you can solve so you can start making the right bait. Step 2 is packaging the solution. Once you know your viewer's pain, you need to package that solution. And packaging doesn't mean flashy edits. It just means creating good content that brings people into your world. Think of it like Netflix. You don't just watch one episode and bounce, you kind of binge watch the whole series. I know it's not just me that's done a Netflix marathon before. I know you know what I'm talking about. You get hooked into a story, the characters, that world, that's what your content needs to do. One video needs to pull the viewer into the next, deeper and deeper. And the way that you measure this isn't likes, views, and subs, it's actually returning viewers. That's the metric that you should actually care about, because that shows that your videos are targeting the right people and they're coming back because they want to learn more from you. If people keep coming back to your videos, then you're earning their trust. And that trust is critical for the next stage in this framework. And if this packaging thing sounds hard, I've got a creator bundle that literally helps you with scripts, templates for thumbnails, everything that you need so that your channel feels like a bingeable series. Links just down below. Step 3, plug in the back end. This is the step that most creators skip because they think, I need to be big before I sell. Wrong. I literally started with a Canva made ebook about investing for beginners, and I had a trading 212 affiliate link. Every time someone clicked my link, they'd invest £1, I'd get a free stock, they'd get a free stock, And that just compounded over time. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't fancy, but it definitely worked. Why? Because I'd already built that trust. I showed them how to use that Trading 212 platform, and then I taught them things about investing so that they could make a comfortable decision. And that's the point. Monetization isn't about waiting until you're some big YouTuber. It's about starting where you are with what you have and plugging that into a system. Every view should have the potential to become a buyer, not someday, but today. And step 4 is the flywheel. This is where it actually compounds. So if you don't know what a flywheel is, it's really hard to move at first. You're pushing against it and it feels like nothing's happening. But once you get it spinning, it's so heavy that momentum starts to take over. Each push just adds speed until it just starts running on its own. And that's what happens with this system. Step 1, you know the target audience and you pinpoint that pain. Step 2, you package that solution for that pain. Step 3, you make sure you plug in your backend so that you can actually get paid from all this. And step 4, you just keep repeating it because every view compounds into trust, buyers, and scale. Most creators lose at this because they just treat each video as a lottery ticket, hoping that just one of their videos goes viral. But with this system and the flywheel in place, each video adds onto the net. That's why small creators with hundreds of views can beat huge creators that are only chasing virality. You could implement this system within 30 days. You'd have this whole flywheel running in your business, every video compounding on top of each other, every view actually counting, and your channel feeling like an actual business. All you need to do is follow the steps that I've just ran you through. So if you don't know what to sell, go use the RentRav bot. It's free, it'll map out your business and you'll know what to start making videos on. Once you know what videos to make, you need to actually create them and turn them into a binge-worthy series. And if you need help packaging with that, get the creator bundle linked in the description. That's gonna help you turn those videos into something people actually want to watch. And if this all sounds complicated, don't worry, you can literally just click down below. You can book a free call with me. I'll go through your whole strategy and help you guys out. You don't need millions of views. You just need to use this system. Once you have it, every single view matters. To make this even easier, make sure you watch this video right here because I'm gonna tell you the lie about views that stops every single creator from winning. In that video, I'll show you why views really don't matter and you'll see it from one of my clients. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video, drop a comment of what you wanna see next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.